A few months ago, something really interesting started happening in the online business world. Regular people with zero tech background were suddenly earning money with AI. No building apps, no selling complicated software, and definitely no spending hours trying to learn 100 different tools. And the strange thing? Almost nobody was talking about what they were really doing. So, in this video, I'm going to walk you through this quiet shift that's creating new income streams for everyday people. Why most creators have completely missed it, and how you can start using it too. No tech wizardry, no turning into a content machine. And honestly, once this clicks, the way you think about AI and making money online will probably never be the same again. I'm Martin. And a couple of years ago, I was just a regular dad trying to figure out how people were making money online. I bought course after course, tried all kinds of complicated methods, and kept ending up confused, frustrated, and honestly wondering whether any of this was actually possible for someone like me. Then it hit me. I was overcomplicating everything. Once I learned how to spot real opportunities and use AI the right way, things finally clicked. Now, whenever a new tool or trend pops up, I'm confident I can figure it out and use it quickly. And if I can get here as a busy parent with zero tech background, trust me, you can too. So now that you know this isn't just theory and real people are doing this every day, let's go through 3 simple ways to start making money with AI. And don't worry, you don't need to be technical and you don't need to spend loads on software. Think of this as dipping your toes into a new world that's already here. Quick thing before we jump in. You don't need to learn every AI tool under the sun. That's one of the fastest ways to burn out. Instead, I'll give you 3 clear starting points, and you can choose whichever one fits your style and your schedule. All right, let's dive in. Method number 1, AI content services. Now, before you say, I'm not a writer, or I don't know anything about content, hang on. You don't need those skills to get started. There are so many businesses out there drowning in content work. Social posts, captions, ideas, blog drafts, even simple YouTube scripts. They're swamped. And AI lets you help them faster than they could ever do it alone. This isn't about pretending to be some marketing expert. It's just using AI to speed up tasks that used to take hours. For example, a fitness coach or a plumber or a real estate agent might need post ideas. You can feed AI a few prompts and boom, tons of ideas and drafts. You might be thinking, why wouldn't they just do it themselves? Fair question. The truth is, most business owners don't have time. And honestly, they don't know how to speak to AI in the right way. One simple prompt can turn into a whole week's worth of posts. If you know what to ask. Start small. Offer something simple. 10 posts, a few captions, maybe a short script. Keep it light, deliver it fast. And once you've helped them, you can offer more later. The people succeeding with this aren't trying to be fancy. They're just being useful and reliable. And if you're wondering where to find clients, go to Instagram, LinkedIn, or YouTube in a niche you like. Look for accounts posting inconsistently or content that feels rushed. Reach out gently. Something like, I love your content. Would you like ideas or posts done for you? Then send a free sample. It doesn't need to be huge, just enough to show what you can do. Real connections, real conversations. That's how this works. All right, method number 2 is even simpler. AI website help. Every business needs a website. New ones, old ones, people upgrading, people starting again. In the past, they had to hire a designer, wait weeks, pay a fortune. Now, AI can generate copy, images, layouts, and you tweak and polish. You don't need to code. You don't need to look technical. These are called no-code builders, basically tools that do the tech part for you. You just tell them what the business does, and the site starts taking shape. You're not trying to build the next Apple homepage. Even one clean professional page is valuable for most small businesses. And here's the wild part. Agencies still charge thousands and take forever. But if you're using AI well, you can draft something solid in an afternoon and refine from there. If you've ever helped someone tidy up a CV or fix a slide deck, it's the same idea, just powered by AI. Wondering how to get clients here? Offer to improve a couple of pages for people you know. Friends, local businesses, maybe a charity group. Build 2 or 3 examples. Once people see you can deliver, you'll be surprised how many say yes. All right, let's move to method 3. And this one has blown up recently: faceless YouTube channels. This surprises a lot of people. Entire YouTube channels, huge ones, where you never see the creator. No camera, no personal brand, no fancy studio. AI writes the script. AI helps edit. AI can even do the voiceover. And some of these channels earn real money. Ad revenue, affiliate links, sponsorships. Worried it's too crowded? Here's the truth. YouTube rewards consistency and usefulness. Most people start strong and quit fast. If you actually stick with it, your odds go way up, and you don't need a complicated niche. Just choose something you enjoy: personal finance, study tips, food hacks, facts and stories. Whatever you find interesting. Start small, short scripts, simple edits. Let AI help generate ideas. Improve a little each time. The channels winning today weren't perfect on day one. They just kept going, thinking, but I can't write videos? That's exactly why this moment is special. AI can brainstorm with you, outline ideas, even write your first draft. Your role is simply to guide it. People love clear, simple explanations. You don't need to be loud or dramatic. Just be clear and helpful. In a moment, I'll share the biggest mindset mistake people make when trying to earn with AI. And avoiding it will save you a lot of frustration. But first, here's the simple truth. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to know every tool. You don't need some big label like expert. Start small. Learn as you go. Let AI support you. Every beginner feels unsure at the start. But clarity comes when you do, not when you overthink. All right, time for the payoff. You now have 3 simple, realistic ways to start earning with AI. Content services for small businesses. Website help using no-code tools. And faceless YouTube channels where AI does most of the heavy lifting. You only need one. Pick the one that feels right and just practice. Focus on progress, not perfection. And if you found this helpful and want more simple, down-to-earth videos on using AI to build income online, hit subscribe. We're just getting warmed up.